you want to be at your B, you drop down your ring finger and your pinky, and you got an E. This is where you want to be the whole time. You just drop your ring finger. Second part, you're going back from, while keeping your pinky here. So that sounds like this. And you're gonna keep hitting this note too while you're switching from those. Once you've got that down, you go from F sharp minor to B7. The easiest way is to drop down as if you're doing an A and plucking the bottom 3 strings. And then let your ring and pinky fall back to the beginning.